DigitalBix Fashions. Here is a list of 5 best ripped jeans brands in India. Number 1. Spiker Jeans. Spiker is one of the top ripped jeans brands. It offers an easy breezy semi-casual look that will help men get ready for a day out with friends. Number 2. Wrangler Jeans. Wrangler Jeans is one of the most loved brands by men when it comes to buying ripped jeans. It has an amazing collection of all types of ad shades of distressed jeans. Number 3. Levi's Jeans. Levi's has been a prominent player in the category of jeans, offering some super cool designs for many years now. It is one of the best ripped jeans brands for men. Number 4. Flying Machine Jeans. When we talk about ripped or distressed jeans, we can't miss out on this brand. Flying Machine has a great collection of distressed jeans and offers impeccable quality and fitting for men. Number 5. Lee Cooper Jeans. It has been a while now that Lee Cooper is in the ripped jeans game. Keeping things fresh and modern, this type of casual distressed jeans is perfect to wear for an outing. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.